Hello friends, good evening. These accessories, this bike, he's the champion and he's the happy customer. So we're gonna install this seat cowl, Ninja 650 2022 model. It's very simple. Remove the seat and put this one. And just one trick, this part comes installed with the bike. Okay, so you just have to unbolt this, remove it and just put it, because this portion is little thinner. Patla hai na? Sorry, it's thicker. So all you have to do is remove that chapta part and install this. And now the bike is ready to ride solo. Ditch the beach, go solo. And this guy will be installing some more accessories from us. As of now we have just educated him and we are educating everyone how to install seat cowl on this super bike. It's very simple, nothing to show more. Laga do. Just to make a bike more sexy at very reasonable price. It's almost plug and play. Laga do, pura laga do na. No need to do any rocket science of thing. There is no vibration, no shake whatsoever because it has anti-vibration rubber also. Guys, hope you like this video. I'm just summing it up. And yes, it has this grip also. It's plastic, but it will provide a rider a bit of grip when he is leaning and riding at higher speed. See ya.